If you're trying to decide, making the decision between becoming a rapper or producer, the obvious, more legacy-driven option will be becoming a producer. On today's episode, I take you through the ins and outs of how to become a music producer. See, being a music producer is a dream job for many people. Music producers create new songs and have them played on the radio, in clubs, in movies, and TV shows around the world. There are many paths to becoming a music producer, but all of them require time and dedication. Today I break down what a music producer is, their typical duties, salary, and how to get started. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do to the channel. Vibe Tribe, let's get it. So what is a music producer? Well, music producers are professionals responsible for shaping the sound of individual music tracks and guiding the overall vision of an album. All genres of music have differing roles for producers who work with artists, hire studio musicians, or work alone. There's also a business component to the career, and the music producers often own and maintain their own studios, sell and promote music, and offer mix and mastering services. Music producers can create beats alone, write entire songs, mix and master existing music, and arrange and sample music. A lot of people want to know, how much do music producers make? Well, the average base salary for a music producer is $42,336 per year in the United States. A music producer's pay rate can vary based on whether they work independently or for a company, what projects they work on, the artists they work with, and their level of fame. Many also accept alternative forms of compensation like service exchanges. Many music producers also stress that while earning can fluctuate, the job is about the satisfaction of artistic expression and the love for the music more than the money. So you're asking yourself, how do I become a music producer? There's no way to become a music producer. Some enter the profession as musicians, record label executives, music school graduates, or sound engineers. Now, with the proliferation of the internet, social media, and consumer-grade recording equipment, it has become easier for self-taught producers to enter the career as well. Regardless of your approach, there are some steps all aspiring music producers can take. Number 1, you have to train your ears. Become a student of music and listen to different styles of music from multiple eras. Consider what makes musical trends popular or obscure, and what makes different genres and their musical qualities unique. Listen to how other artists use their instruments and other sounds, and learn how to recognize pitch, harmony, and tempo. Now this can be done independently, or you can enroll in a music course to help you get started. Number 2. Even if a music producer doesn't play an instrument professionally, it's important for them to know how to play instruments like drums, piano, and maybe a guitar, and be able to read sheet music. Learning how to play a few of your favorite songs is an effective way to learn musical concepts like chord progression. And it can also be helpful during the creative process to record your own sounds while developing ideas, rather than waiting for a session musician. Number 3, get a digital audio workstation. Technology has made it easier for anyone with a computer to explore music production. Aspiring music producers can download a digital audio workstation. Usually you'll see a DAW to familiarize themselves with a software used to record and produce music. While the software used in music production may appear complicated at first, there are many online tutorials and resources to learn their features quickly. YouTube. Shameless plug. Number 4, you have to have a production and recording space. You see, while a professional grade studio space may be out of reach for a beginner music producer, it is possible to start simply and build a professional studio as you progress. When you're starting out, a space dedicated to making music can help you be creative and make artists more interested in collaborating. Begin with the most necessary equipment, like a computer with a DAW, a soundboard, microphones, in a quiet room, and invest over time in building your studio. So you want to get the basic stuff it takes for you to run the studio, and then you start, building on top of that as you learn and go. Another one is you have to learn how to use an audio mixer. Besides a DAW, an audio mixer is the most important piece of technology a music producer needs. An audio mixer, also called a soundboard, is a device or software for controlling multiple audio channels. With it, you can alter the volume and effects of individual sounds to create your musical composition. While these may seem complicated to use and understand at first, there are all tutorials and guides available if you are self-teaching. Now, when it comes to networking with artists, networking is an important skill in music producers, and you can develop it with practice. Consider opportunities to network with music industry professionals at concerts, recording studios, and social media. Many artists who are also just starting their careers may be more willing to work with you for free or in exchange for production services. Just promoting your work at live events and online can also help attract people to you for collaborations and business opportunities. Now, number 7, I would say you can consider a degree in music. Some producers choose to get a music production related degree. These programs teach the technology used to create, mix, and master music, and can be also a valuable opportunity to meet people in the industry. A cost-effective way to learn music production may be to enroll in an online course, because many are free or cost less than a college. You can even take an internship to learn more about the music industry and music production. Intern at a record company. You have to research the record label before you apply to understand what genre they work with, their major artists, and why you want to work for them. This can help you write an effective cover letter, prepare you to answer questions during an interview. Number 9, I feel like it's one of the most important things. Create music. No matter what stage you are in your journey to become a music producer, you can create music. This may include producing beats for other artists, crafting remixes or existing songs and sounds, or even making your own original music. Consider using social media to promote and share your work, to build your reputation, attract artists, and draw opportunities for projects.